What's up, guys? Out here in the Sacramento River. I'm out here at Tisdale right now. I was just at Knight's Landing and they're both super flooded, overflowing. The water's really blown out right now. We're having another atmospheric river, it looks like, starting Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it looks like right now. And it looks like we're gonna get a lot more rain. The Shasta Dam is completely full, Shasta, and they are letting water out because they have to. So we are gonna get more and more flooding right now. There, guys, kale right here across the way, swabbies. Look at that. It's completely underwater. Just the deck. It's hard to see probably, but just the deck's above water. And this is under the Knight's Landing Bridge right here. Man, this is flood. I'll show you guys the parking lot right now. Look at the Knight's Landing Bridge. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen the water this high in a long time. Wow. Probably couldn't even make it under there with a boat right now. But I'll show you guys the Knight's Landing parking lot right now. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, guys, here's the entrance of KL right here. There's a boat launch. The dock's just sitting out there. And that's the parking lot. Completely flooded out. Alright, so the striper fishing should be getting good real soon here. Springtime is on March 20th, and the water temperature is staying about 48-ish on the Sacramento River. It's definitely not going to be warming up anytime soon here with this cold weather. It has been getting colder. These storms coming in are colder than previous ones. So striper fishing is going to get good soon here. The water temperature has to rise up to the mid 50s, so it's about 48-ish right now. It should be climbing here soon in a few weeks, depending on how many more cold storms we have. I was gonna wet a line, but this is all flooded out so bad right now. I mean, it's flooded. It's shot. The river is flooded out. Doesn't mean you can still catch fish right now. You just got to go to those real calm areas. Definitely not in the middle right now. Nowhere near the main channel. You got to be off somewhere in a slough or some kind of big eddy current around an S turn. But they're still fishing here. They're still catching them. They're just much harder to catch right now, and the bite is much slower right now. So just keep trying. I'll keep coming out here for you guys and seeing when these river conditions are going to get better. And this striper, with all this weather, with all this rain, this striper season is going to be a killer one in my prediction, guys. So be ready here. It should be happening real soon, probably around mid-March. Maybe earlier, maybe a little later, it's hard to say, but I will keep you guys posted. Today I was gonna be out fishing. If you want to test your luck, try these guys right here. If you don't have your double pole stamp, you can get 2 hooks right here. In California, you could fish for striper with 2 hooks. There's one right here. These are just 4/0 hooks, and then there's one right here on the very end. And then the space right here between the 2 hooks is adjustable. I like to keep about 20 inches or so in between the 2, maybe even more. That way you have more height and adjustment for getting on these fish, because they could be at different heights. And then all the grasses right now, you're not sure how high the grass is going to be. So having the bait set at different heights like that is going to really help out right now, because the bite, like I said, is super tough. The water flows are really high right now, which is super good for a striper, but we need this water to calm down and to kind of clear up a little bit. There's a lot of sediment and stuff in the river right now, but it's starting to settle near the banks and stuff right now. So it is going to start looking better here, just depending on what these storms are going to look like and how much wind and rain we're going to get. Tisdale's gonna be closed for a minute. Wow. Alright guys, it's only $5 here. That's why I like Tisdale. It's just about 20 minutes past Nice Landing, and it's only $5. These signs right here should be everywhere. Bam! No dumping. $10,000 fine or 6 months in jail. That's sweet. Alright guys, I'm on the other side now of Tisdale. It's across the way, and now you can see a lot better how I don't know, there's big waves right here, and I think the levee or something, I'm not that familiar with this area, but there is power poles and stuff in the water here, so it's not supposed to be going in right here. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but right there, I think there was a levee or something. But this is the Sac River right here, going along here. And something broke right here. Not exactly sure. If you guys know this area better than me, let me know in the comments. This is crazy. It's getting close to the levee out here. All right, so there it is. There's the bridge. Tisdale's right there, or was right there. And you can see the ripples where I was talking about, the waves. So I think there was a parking lot or something right there. But yeah, it's completely underwater, guys. That is just crazy. There's Tisdale. Alright, so the parking lot is down in there, and then the launch is somewhere over there. I'm not sure. I've only been here one time, and it looked a lot different than this. Wow, the whole parking lot, the boat launch, everything's just completely underwater. It's windy. I think that's a slough. That's really full right now. And you can see some of these spots here where the levee's a lot lower, it looks like, and it's almost coming over the levee, like to my right here. Oops. If you look at that, it looks like it's actually going over the levee right here. Sacramento River up by Grimes, Tisdale area, and it is looking full.